Okay. Guys, I got a piece of cherry here that I like a little better. It's real old. It was in a barn. My buddy bought it out of a guy's had a barn, and he bought it from him. And he bought all he had because the old man was going out of business. So we're just going to make us a block 18 like that, and then the other one will be about the same. Tell you what, we could just split it in the middle and do that. Let's do it. Let's just split it and make it whatever it is. That way we can work around whatever we don't like. Okay. Now, I don't know how many people around here know radio alarm saws or use radio alarm saws, but this here is a really nice machine, but you got to be careful around it like anything else. Uh-oh, stuff's in the way. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it kind of simple. I'm not going to go to trouble setting everything up, doing the whole thing. I'm just going to slide it back like that. I'm going to box it up to the frame right here where it won't move on me. I'm going to get it lined up on the line. We're going to turn it on, just make a cut, and we can be done with it. And it's level. It ought to be fine. There you go. Look at that. Cherry. Nice, pretty cherry. Now we got it. Now we talking. Look at that. Y'all see that? There's one way to get rid of a knot, ain't it? Okay, so if we do that, we'll get us a centered edge right here to put it together. We're going to make a new edge to put it together here. We're going to do this. I'm going to mark it and cut it rough down the sides so it's easier to work with. And so that's the plan there. Now, I'm just going to rough this because I will probably change the way this comes out of this block before it's over. But right now, I just want a neighborhood so I can know what I'm working with. So I'm going to do this. Now, there we go. There. Now, I'm going to lose some when I make this joint, put this together, so I'm going to cut outside these lines on everything I cut. And I'm going to make me a nice straight line here so I got something to work to when I glue it together. And I want it pretty much straight on that line right there on the outside of each side, but I want to be about a ½ inch out. So we're going to want to be from right there like that, we want to be about 14. Okay, we're just going to take that off right there and do that, and that'll get that down what we want so we can work with it. That's 8. I don't want 8. I want 7 1/4. Now, that's what I want. Yeah, there we go. Okay, where's my push stick? Right here. Push stick's there. I won't use it most likely because I'm going to be over here where the saw's clear, so it shouldn't be a problem. Get this thing cut down where we want it. Okay, right back. Man, that smells so good. Let me tell you, that smells so good. Y'all see how I got this overhang right here? This overhang here is flat. This is a perfectly flat board. I'm gonna put this overhang against this. When I make this cut, it's gonna make that cut, and it's gonna give me that flame flat edge on this board. So it'll be a perfect fit. And I'm taking off about maybe a 1/16, but I don't even need that much. So let me move it back a little bit. No need taking out more than I have to, right? I don't know if any of y'all do this way or not. Y'all ever done this way? To level a board? Or to smooth up or true up the edge of a board like this? Okay. Let's see what happens. Y'all ready? Should be good. Watch your ears, okay? Watch your ears, plug your ears. Guys, let's just put a little edge, let's flatten these two right quick, real flat, and give them a little edge for going this direction for that glue to bite into. I'm gonna turn it on the air. The dust collector's gonna get a little loud, so you watch your ears. And then we'll fire this up. And we're gonna take it up to sanding speed. Glue time. Y'all know how glue time is, don't you? Y'all ever notice me doing this, you'll always notice I use the pinky finger. Reason why, if my phone rings, I can go get it with the other ones. I can reach and answer my phone and still keep that pinky out like I'm drinking British tea. And if I don't get enough, I can always go back and add more, right? Like this. Check comments, see what y'all got there. Oh, okay, Jay Bird's last one. Okay, nothing else there now. Okay, guys, I'm just going to take this and lay this one down. Lay that one down. Butt them together and do a little of this to make them work, and then slide them back against the back. See that? Got that. We'll put that right there. Get in there. There you go. Dude, I done lost some blocks. Okay, y'all hold on. I'm going to look for these blocks. Hmm. Well, could have swore I had them both when I started this way, guys, and it's missing, the one that goes in that side. It will probably work without. We will find out here in just a second, won't we? Now, what I'm going to do here is I just take this wrench and tighten this up and let it push these two together. And when it starts grabbing, it'll start pulling them together down this way too. Should have got my impact wrench for this, as long as that bolt's got to go. Okay, can y'all see what's going on? I hope so. There's the first one snugging up just enough to hold it. Now we're going to run this one up the same way.